friends, hi, I'm Sonal Potaro. A quick sneak peek about myself. I love baking and I'm baking since 2018. In order to enhance my skills in baking and confectionery, I did a diploma course from Don Bosco College of Hospitality. Post which I did my industrial training from Le Petit Patisserie. With all these learning, I started practicing production from home. I bake from home and today I am a proud owner of Sonal's Bakehouse. And here I am today to share one lovely recipe with all of you. And the name of the recipe is coconut macaroon. So let's begin. So a quick introduction to the ingredients that we are going to use to make coconut macaroon. We need 210 grams of desiccated coconut, 110 grams of caster sugar, 2 egg whites, 2 egg yolks, and some glazed cherries to top on your cookies. If you don't have glazed cherries, you can also use almonds or any other nuts. Alright, here we go making our coconut macaroons, for which we have to take the egg whites, which are of 2 eggs, pour it into the container, take a wide container and with the help of the hand blender, whisk it till you get nice peak. You can see the peak formation is not there, it is still dropping. This peak should be stiff, so we are going to whisk it again till we get a stiff peak. And here you can see the stiff peak. That means our egg whites are perfect, and to this now we are going to add our egg yolks and give a whisk once again. You pause. Once they are whisked together, take the caster sugar, put it inside and whisk it once again. That's it. So after mixing the egg yolks and the sugar, the egg whites, the mixture will look something like this. To this, what are we going to do is take the desiccated coconut and put half a quantity of it into the mixture what we had prepared, and using the cut and fold method, just have a watch how I am doing, cutting and folding. I am not mixing it vigorously, I am just giving a cut and folding it. Cut, fold, cut, fold. Now once you are done with this half, take another remaining half of desiccated coconut, put it into the bowl and again follow the same process. Now your batter is become like a semi-soft dough. It should look exactly like this. The consistency should be like this. So a batter, or you can say a dough, is ready to make a coconut macaroons. So now we are all set. To bake the coconut macaroon, we need one aluminium saucepan and a baking mat. If you don't have a baking mat, that's completely okay. You can use a butter paper or any other kind of parchment paper. So now what are we going to do is take little quantity of this, make a slight circle and place it over here. Don't press it hard. You have to be very light and then just gently roll it and place it. Okay guys, so that's how we have to align our cookies on the cookie tray. And here our coconut macaroons are all set to be topped with the glazed cherries. You can just take some glazed cherries and place them on top of it to increase the beauty of our coconut macaroons. If you don't have glazed cherries, that's completely okay. You can use nuts, you can use raisins. It's your choice. So now we are going to bake this into an oven on 170-degree temperature for about 15 to 20 minutes. So here you can see I have preheated my oven on 170 degrees. Now I'm going to put my baking tray into the oven. And I'm going to bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes or till you get the color. Alright guys, so our coconut macaroons are all baked and ready to eat. Can you see the golden color around it? So as I told you, you have to bake it on 170 degree preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. But each and every oven has a different heating temperature. So there's no hard and fast rule that you have to bake only for 15 to 20 minutes. You can also bake for about more 5 minutes or till you get a color something like this. So yeah, they are ready and we can plate them in this way and it can be eaten by your loved ones. So go ahead and try making this yummy delicious macaroons. I'm sure all of you would have loved this recipe of coconut macaroon. So please go ahead and bake it for your loved ones. And do not forget to share the picture and tag your picture on the official page of Sonal's Bakehouse on Facebook. You can also send me the picture on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9819910 459. Thank you for watching.